So first, you want to see what a good platformer has. A good platformer tells you the most obvious things, while acting like you don't know anything. Let's find a platformer engine for our game. Let's search one up. Nice. We found one. Let's bring it into our backpack. Yay. Create a level and add the most obvious directions into it. I made my game really hard to beat. See, it's so hard. Add a yellow sphere, which is the end of the game. Now, since the platformer is impossible to beat, let's call the person out for cheating. Use the script. Share your project. Enjoy the fame being the next grift patch.